Okay guys, the knotwork pattern that I'm going to be putting on top of the box is drawn out and glued down, so now all I have to do is run the final layer of tape over the pattern so that I don't smudge all the pencil lines and make it unreadable, even though it already looks that bad. Everywhere that you see an X is what's going to be cut out, and the pattern will be left behind and hopefully look decent. I think I've gotten my measurements close to where they're equal on both sides, but since this is all drawn freehand, I kind of got as close as I could get. So the pattern's not going to make a lot of sense until I start removing wood, so what I'll do is cut the video here and show you guys after it's cut out. And after all that scroll saw work, the top is done. I unfortunately dropped it and dented it, so I created new gaps that weren't there, but knotwork came out a lot better than I thought it would, a lot more even on both sides than I thought it would, since it was a free-handed drawing. But I'm fairly happy. The legs are glued on nice and square, so basically we're down to finishing it and adding the hardware, and the chest is done. I'll post a short blurb once I get all the finish work and the hardware mounted, so you guys can see the final product. So there's going to be one more video after this one. It took a little longer than I'd like it to, but this is all leftover wood. I mean, all of it. From using wood from oak stakes for the legs, to repurposed cedar fence board for the lid, to chunks of 2x4 that were left over from a fence repair project. So, hey, whatever you got, right? As always, more to come, guys.